मुल्तानी जर्नल पैसेज नंबर 12 start private education is not so private anymore comma it seems full stop the government has brought in the private educational promotion rules ordinance 1984 full stop this should transfer some privacy and power to bureaucracy comma and now the all Pakistan private schools management association comma has asked for an extension of the registration deadline and arrayed a few grades full stop the association claims to have 20 lakh students and 1 lakh staff on its rolls in Punjab alone full stop this is a considerable contribution to education in a country where the literacy level is only 26% and the existing school structure can admit only 50% of the applicants full stop the pressure on establishment government schools is such that in some schools comma classes have about 70 students and the teacher spends nearly the whole period calling the rolls full stop these schools need to be revealed of some of this pressure and the private educational institution private provide this very answer full stop they are also remedial for the arrogance of many government schools that are riding high on the reputation of their past performance and completely neglecting their present standard full stop in any case private schools argument the government efforts to meet the heavy pressure on education full stop paragraph the role of private schools is positive full stop they are not purely business enterprises which pay no attention to imparting education full stop if they were comma they would be phased out by lack of public response comma particularly when the competition between them is stiff full stop the purely business ventures by and large fizzled out rapidly comma and the schools that have survived did so because they had a soiled educational foundation full stop some of them have comma on the strength of their reputation comma built a chain of schools throughout the country full stop paragraph for this contribution they get few concessions or approbation full stop their status in terms of taxation is that of private business comma and consequently they pay commercial rates for facilities like water comma electricity and telephones full stop no grants comma subsidies or tax holidays come their way full stop to crown all their problems comma we have introduced a bureaucratic authority in the form of the new ordinance full stop we know from past experience that a more strengthened bureaucracy means more corruption full stop this regulation will be of little use in maintaining standard full stop paragraph while we would welcome to move the regulate such important issues and imparting education lest it turns into a commercial venture extorting funds on the strength of a noble cause, comma, we fear that the executive powers given to government functionaries might well be misissued. Full stop. It is time we stopped pay in our society, full stop. Columns about irregularities in private schools can be dismissed by measures of confidence in the process of elimination by supply and demand, full stop. The new ordinance has to be reviewed once again in view of these public apprehensions, full stop.